I've partnered with Matt Cameron and all of the learning experts over at SaaSy Sales Leadership because I saw a real need in the market to provide new partner and channel managers with role-based training. Most SaaS companies today send their new partner managers through their sales bootcamp, but don't ever give them the hands-on, tangible, role-based training they need to succeed. So this course is really geared towards those folks who are new in the partner manager or channel manager role, or maybe they've been in role for a bit, but they're just really looking to learn some of the basics, some templates, some processes to accelerate their career and success. It's a 3-day, very hands-on workshop. You really get to know your cohort of partner and channel managers who are all in the SaaS space, all in your same shoes, and are dealing with the same challenges you're dealing with on a daily basis. So we exchange best practices, we do a lot of exercises together, and we talk a lot about a roadmap for success. You'll receive a notebook, and we learn through a mix of conversation, discussion, lecture, role play, lots of group and individual exercises. So it's very hands-on in a very unique environment. It's energetic, it's a fun 3 days, and folks walk away with lifelong professional connections and people to turn to who are in their same shoes for advice and support. We round it off with a check-in about 30 days after the workshop. We'll review key concepts, hold ourselves accountable by talking about what we've achieved over the last 30 days, where we are in our goals, and we'll do kind of a rapid fire hot seat to talk about what's going on in our roles and challenges that we might be facing. So we would love to have you or your team in the course. So please go to the SaaSy Sales Leadership website, sign up for the next cohort today, or you're welcome to email me with questions at lisa@ltlpartnerconsulting.com. Hope to see you soon.